everyone, Sparkle Sprinkler here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back. I have got some more little grandmas for you. I've got 4 partials and a greeting card. Alright, love the little grandmas. We're digging deeper in my bag, y'all. Got a bunch of these to unbox for you. This and greeting cards. Okay, I paid $3.70 for this one, and I've gotten no price matches on it. Standard toolkit, and this one has a lot of colors. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 colors in this one, y'all. I'm finding that they are putting more and more colors in these things, and I'm here for it. I love these special shades, and especially the little grandmas, y'all. They're my absolute favorite. If you've been here long enough, you know. I've got binders of these things, and I've got a ton over here to unbox for you. Look at this. Oh, let me zoom that back out and it's a little clear. There we go. Love it. Okay, let's see what they gave us in these 15 colors. Alright. We've got, there's that black again with the silver back. That's twice now I've seen that. Clear, yellow, purple, green, a pretty blue. Light champagne, pink, that's kind of a apricot color. This is a darker pink. These are green, tiny. These things can be boogers, y'all. Well, I call them little slivers. They can be boogers. Yellow stars. I love the stars. There's some clear. There's some purple. Oh, there's a lot of them in here, y'all. That's fine. They just take me longer to put down. I don't mind. On a little grandma, I don't care. Anything else, it would be going in the back of the binder, but it's a little grandma, y'all, so I'll take it. Okay, $3.70 on this one. Okay, then we have this one that I paid $4.15, and I got 2 price matches on it. Oh, look at this. Standard toolkit. It has 8 colors in it. Y'all, if you pull these cover sheets back, make sure you do not let it fall back on itself. These are designed to go on one way. And if it happens to fold back on itself and get stuck, this corner where to fold and stick down, it is like glue. Yeah, I mean, literally you have to pry it off. So just be very careful when you pull these back. Look at them. Okay. We have burnt orange, a light champagne, pink, pretty blue. This is a icy green, orange, yellow flowers, and pink tiny marquise. I love it. Y'all, I love these special shapes. I love the different diamonds you get. I love the rhinestones. These are all I worked on for about 2 years. My brain just could not focus on a large canvas, and I worked on the last couple of years. That's all I worked on until here recently. Okay, this is $5, and I got 1 price match on it. Oh, look at them. Y'all, I just love these things. I absolutely love these things. Standard toolkit. You get 10 colors in this one. They just make me smile. And that's the thing with these partial special shape with these grandmas. Unlike the one for the Valentine in the Valentine hauls that I did, and then the one I did day before yesterday, I think. I've got one grandma that has come out all right in an 80 by 80 from Temu. Now I have some from Deals, and I'm sure they'll be fine, but I've got several more in 60 by 60, 50 by 80 by 80s from Temu, and I'm hoping these partials, you don't have to worry about it. They come out, what you see is what you're going to get. It's just going to be enhanced with these rhinestones. Okay, 10 colors. Let's see. Hot pink. It's a different color pink. It's lighter. Dark orangish yellow. This is a light champagne, lime green, blue, orange, standard black. Oh, these are tiny, tiny red hearts. Look at these, y'all. Tiny, tiny, tiny red hearts. That's not picking it up, is it? Zoom it back out some. I want y'all to see these. Come on, camera, focus for me. Y'all, I had to turn the autofocus off on this camera, and it is just... There it goes. Look how tiny those are. Oh, my goodness. And then red, small teardrops. Oh, my. This one's going to be fun to do. Those tiny red hearts are all in her jacket. This is going to be so pretty. $5 on this one. Okay, and then this one was $4.26, and I have not gotten any price matches. And this one looks like it has a ton of colors as well. It does. Standard toolkit. It has 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 in this one. Lots of colors. Had some ask me why I don't check the stick. Y'all, I use a lot of lotion, just the oils on my skin. I'm scared to touch on this. I don't want to mess my glue up. I can tell when I pull it back. If it gives a lot of resistance, then it's good glue. If not, then I'll do one little spot, you know, but I don't touch my canvas with my hands. Don't want to take the chance of messing my glue up. Okay, lots and lots of colors in this one. We have lime green. I'm going to say medium champagne until I see if there's more in here. Clear. Dark burnt orange. That is a wine red. Yeah, this is a medium and light. That is a dark dark blue. I mean dark blue. Blue. That is a light yellow. A light yellow, medium yellow. That is a burnt orange, and it's not as dark as this one over here. Purple. Then we have yellow rounds, smaller yellow rounds, red rounds. These are marquise green, and they have an AB coating on them. And then we have some red hearts. This is going to be pretty. Very pretty. Love, love, love the little grandmas. $4.26 on this one. Okay, let's see the greeting cards. Y'all on these, be sure you keep your diamonds with these cards because they are not labeled. They get separated. You're going to have a hard time trying to figure out what diamonds go with what. In this, you get a toolkit, some envelopes. I do not use these as greeting cards. I use these, I do save these and use them for my other crafts. This one came with 2 toolkits. What I do with these, if you're new here, is this was $11.45, and y'all have gotten 6 price matches. On the one with the Valentines, I had, I think, 7 price matches and ended up paying like $5. I'm sure this is about the same. Okay, what I do is I take my paper cutter and I cut right here. This is where a fold is, where you would fold it. I cut this. I will not be using these. These go into plastic bags, 9x12s, with a piece of cardstock in it. All of these would be cut here, and they all go into the plastic Ziploc. And then the diamonds would either go up here or over here. I try to alternate. One will go here, the next one will go here. And then on the edge of where it zips together, I put a tab. They'll say Grandma's. And it slides into my storage container. I use these, I take these on road trips. I take them to doctor's offices. I take them to waiting rooms. And I cannot tell you the people that have been, I've introduced to this. I take a clipboard with me. And especially if they're already bagged up. And I sit there and diamond paint. And I cannot tell you the people that have asked me what this is, and we end up on Amazon or something looking for them a kit. So, look at this, y'all. Oh, I love this one. Oh, that one too. Y'all, I love them all. Absolutely. Love them all. That's different from this one. Too cute. Okay, let's see what diamonds we got. Clear. These are dusty, dusty diamonds, y'all. What I'll do with them is I'll dump them into a paper towel. Let me get a paper towel from over here. I will take them and I will dump them right here, and I will fold this over, fold up my edges like this, and then just take them and wipe, and then fold this back, pour them in a tray, and then into my container. Clear, red. That's a light champagne. These are very dirty diamonds, y'all. I haven't seen them this bad in a long time. Very, very dirty diamonds on these. Look at that. That is the back. That's how dusty these things are. Look at that. Lime green, yellow, blue, pink. Look how dirty those are. And then black with a silver backing on them. I haven't had diamonds this dirty in a long time. So I will definitely be wiping these. I may even put them through the paper towel twice, y'all. They're so bad. I may dump them from the paper towel to another paper towel, wipe again, and then put them in my tray, because I don't want all that in my tray. Certainly don't want it all in my bottles. Okay, 11:45. Let's go through these again. I have not seen diamonds that dirty in a very, 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 I'm talking years. One color I could understand, but all of them that dirty? 11:45 on this, and I have gotten price matches that I probably, you know, if it's anything like the Valentine one that I showed you, I've got it down to $5. Okay. This one was $4.26. There are a lot of diamonds in this, y'all. A lot of diamond painting to be done. This will probably take me an evening or 2 or 3. $4.26. This one was $5. I love this one. Absolutely love this one. Look at them. And then this one was $4.15. Look at that. Y'all, I love them. And then we have this one that was $3.70. Look at that. This is the one that has those slivers, as I call them. And they're boogers to work with, but I will do them. So, alright y'all, that is going to be it for this one. All the product numbers will be in the description. Copy and paste them in Temu if you have any trouble with the product number working. Sometimes Temu just won't let you search with the numbers. I'll go directly to my order and leave you a link in the comment for you. Alright y'all, that's it. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.